Hey everybody, what's going on? I just got this package from Amazon. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. It's a coffee maker I ordered. So, what do you say let's open this thing up and let's figure out what it is. Okay, as you can see, I've got this thing opened up. And yeah, let's go ahead and grab that thing out of here. Don't need that anymore. And let's pull that out. Oh, this is difficult to do with one hand. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to murder this name. Anyway, it is a coffee maker that I got from Amazon. So let's open it up and check it out. Seems to be pretty well packaged. And you got your little instruction manual here. And upside down instruction manual. Wait. Ah, how does this work? It doesn't open this way. Okay, yeah, blah blah blah, done. Alright, over with. And you got some cushioning there, padding. You got some more padding in the back there. Looks like I'm not going to be able to get this thing out one-handed, so... Well, maybe. Alright, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Well, maybe not. Maybe I will need my knife again. Alright, I'll be back in 1 second. Okay, as you can see, I got it out of the box now. And it was well packaged. It's got a lot of cushioning, a lot of things in it to keep it stabilized. The glass seems to be well intact. Pull this out here. Nothing seems to be cracked or damaged right offhand. Seems to be pretty sturdy construction. Everything's smooth there. That works. Looking up top here, you got a little scoop in there. If you fill that up with coffee with only 1 scoop of that in there, you're not a coffee drinker. I'm just going to tell you that right now. Pretty good looking basket. In there looks pretty good. And there's black. You're not going to be able to see anything in there. And this thing comes out, so it's washable. It has a spring-loaded thing in there, so if you want to... So if it's brewing, So if it's in the middle of brewing and you want to sneak a cup mid-brew, and you can't wait, then you can do so. Not a problem. And that's where the hot water comes out. And that's where you fill your water. That's where you turn it off and on. Looks like a good sturdy switch. And that is your water level. Doesn't look like it has any auto off or on it, which is, you know, okay with me, because if you don't know that your coffee pot is empty and you don't turn it off, well, that's your fault. You know, that's totally on you. But if you know you're not going to drink any more coffee that day and you don't turn it off, well, again, that's, you know, completely on you. Oops. If you forget such things, well, you might want to have somebody help you with that. I don't know. Anyway, let's go check this thing out. Let's see how it brews. Alright, and we are back in the kitchen area, as you can see. Never mind the mess in the sink. These are ice bags that I am de-thawing right now. It is in the place where it's going to be. And this is a standard coffee filter that you can buy from any store. And as you can see, it fits nicely in this little pouch. And this is one third cup of scoop. Again, with the scoop they provide you, yeah, if you use this to fill your coffee filter thing, yeah, get that out of here. Anyway, this is going to be difficult. All right, 1/3 scoop of coffee. There you go. You might want to use more, you might want to use less. You know, that's what I like. You do it to taste. Sometimes I use more, sometimes, well, I don't use less. But I've already pre-filled this thing. Let's see, dripped a little. That's alright, just need to slow it down. Don't want to pour too fast. Once it's in there, close that lid, turn it on. Now let's see if it starts any fires, if there's any breakers, which it doesn't seem to be doing so, which is a good thing. It's making noises, which is a good thing. It's not smoking, which is a good thing. And looky there, we're making coffee, which is a good thing. Alright, I will let you know how the coffee tastes and how everything goes. Hey everybody, we are back. It was just a few minutes later, and as you can see, we've got a full brewed pot of nice coffee. Let's go ahead and pour ourselves a cup. Push that back over there. Get a cup here. It stopped on time. It didn't overbrew it. Didn't do anything. As you can tell, it's kind of Okay, it gets mad if you open the lid, so yeah, don't open the lid, because it'll yell at you. Let's go ahead and pour ourselves a nice brewed cup of coffee. There we go. And it didn't leak at all, didn't spew all over the place or leak all over the place, which is a good thing. Let's try this out. That's actually pretty good. That's a good cup of coffee. So the Nephilim 12 yeah, the maximum 14 cups, maximum 15 cups if you really want to push it, is a good coffee maker. I definitely approve. Don't get mad at me again. I would definitely recommend this coffee maker. So, until next time.